Hi, I'm Amy Glass, and I'm Director of Training at Brody Professional Development. For over 15 years, I've delivered presentation skills training and coaching globally, and I'm always asked the same question: how do I design a really strong introduction for my presentation? So I'm going to share with you how to do that in 4 easy steps. The first step is a grabber. Now, a grabber is a way that we can grab our audience's attention immediately. And I like to do that either by sharing a story with the audience, using a shocking statistic that makes them look up and think about it, a quote that can grab their attention, or even a question directly to the audience, or a rhetorical question that makes them think. Now, all these tactics only work when they are centrally related to the subject that you're speaking about, but they are compelling ways to grab the audience's attention. The second step is called What's in it for them, WIIFT, and it answers that question that your audience has. What is it? What's in this for me? And I always imagine my audience has a thought bubble over their heads that says, so what? Why do I need to know this? How am I going to use this information? So we as speakers need to answer that question. The third step is source credibility. Who are you? What's your background? And why should they trust you? So you want to share some of your background and experience with them. If you're part of a team presentation, this is the point that you would introduce not only yourself, but your team and their credentials as well. And the fourth and final step is a preview. Tell them what you're going to be telling them. So if you have 3 to 5 key points in your presentation, list those 3 to 5 key points. And that way they're oriented to the rest of the presentation. So those 4 steps: grab their attention, let them know what's in it for them, share your source credibility, and let them know the preview for the presentation is how to design a really powerful introduction for your next presentation.